Hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome to my channel, and today we'll be doing glitter Nike slides. So basically, we're gonna take gold, metallic gold, anglers paint. You can use any paint that you want, but this is the one that I chose. And we're gonna make thin layers, and I'm just showing you guys that it takes like about 6 to 8 layers to get the color that you want. Then you want to make sure that you have tape. Any tape will do. Mine don't really hold well. I think it's shipping tape. And I just put it on the shoe and I just layered that up so it can stay at least decent, so when I paint it doesn't get on the slide. Now I go ahead and start painting the letters and the swoosh of the slide. But one thing is, this paint, you can't really find it in regular stores. Like if you have Walmart or Michael's craft store, you would actually need to buy this online. If you type in English paint, like a whole bunch of colors is gonna pop up. And this is what only one coat looks like, so we're gonna do about 6 or 8 to get the finished product. I'm gonna be using that shoe to demonstrate what's the next steps. Okay, so glitter is needed, some E6000 glue, and some brushes. I pretty much picked a brush that I wanted to use, and I put some E6000 glue on the brush and I went ahead and spread it around. So I did little strokes within the letters and within the swoosh because the next step is adding glitter. Then I went ahead and grabbed another brush to take all the excess glitter off the shoe so I can kind of see what I'm working with. And I want to clean up between the letters so I could get that nice clean finished look. I'm using E6000 glue in a spray format, and I'm going ahead and I'm spraying a little bit, which goes a long way because this is like the watery consistency of the glue. So I'm just basically spreading it out, and I realized that I should have took the nozzle off instead, because when I say this thing got everywhere, it got everywhere. So look what happens when you don't take the nozzle off. At that point, I couldn't even see the letters, and I was like, okay, I done messed up. So I basically used the other shoe as a guideline so I know where to clean up. So I kind of panicked. I started taking the tape off, like, okay, like if I take it off, what's gonna happen? And yeah. But it's okay though, because you have your trusty brush to go ahead and clean up the sides and between the letters, so you get your slide back to how it was. It's fixable, guys. You can do this. Okay, after I fixed it up, I had some water, some Mod Podge, and some more glitter, mixed it up in a cup, and I went ahead and used it as a sealant. The Mod Podge actually sealed the glitter so the glitter don't come off the shoe. It starts off looking a little white or whatever, it's like cloudy, but it actually dries clear. Notice I'm using a small brush versus something that's big, because that way it just works better. And this brush is not really hard at all. It's like it's a soft brush. So I let that sit and dry for probably like 3 hours, I want to say, with the fan on. And I was ready to go ahead and add some rhinestones. So I'm using, oh my gosh, I cannot pronounce this. I'm going to try. Swarovski, right? Swarovski crystals. That's what I'm using. And I'm using the E6000 glue and again spreading it all over where I want to place them. And I'm using a pick-me-up stick, which is so much easier than when I was using the tweezers. It kind of give you the same effect versus smothering something in glue and then picking it up. The rhinestones won't shine as much as you when you use the pick-me-up stick or tweezers. Okay, Paris is definitely annoying. I really tried to get him off. He was so comfortable. But basically, the next thing you want to do is one pack wouldn't be enough. So I grabbed the other pack and opened that up. And after I did that, this was my final results. I went ahead and I made sure I cleaned around the shoe, got any excess glue off. And I try to do my best or whatever, but this is the final product. Thank you guys for watching. If you like, go ahead and thumbs up and leave anything you want to see down below. Thanks. Bye.